Right, well, good morning and welcome to another episode of Hooked, Line and Sinker. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today I'm once again in the man cave and I had a delivery come through for John Tosh Flavel. So I know it's something carpy and I think I know what it is, but I thought I'd get it open, do a box preview and see what it is. So here goes. Always nice to have a packet round about Christmas time. And I can tell you now from opening this, it absolutely bleeding stinks. Definitely something sweet in here. Hell yes. Now, some time ago, I spoke to a company, or the owner, from Karper with a K, and they posted up a few of their products that I found on their page. You can probably like them on Facebook, and they've also got a website which is carper.com, again with a K, and they posted up these pop-ups, and me in the winter I thought these are something else. Now let's see what they sent me. Different types of tutti frutti, good old classic. Could have a smell of them, won't you? Them are the ones. Them are the ones. Juicy pineapple. Coconut, choc mint. You've got to smell them, haven't you? You've just got to. Professional boilie sniffers. And last but not least, coconut with dispersion cloud boost. Now these are the ones that I actually seen a product video. Now I'm not going to talk about it, I'm going to actually show you what to do, because if you're fishing singles and you're looking for maximum attraction, these are on another level. Now they've got this sort of dry powder around them. When you drop them into the water, which I'm going to show you shortly, they give off like a halo cloud, and they give you a smoke effect round your pop-up. And yes, ooh, what else have we? Hey, only sent me an hat. Only sent me an hat. Boom, that one's gone. Oh yes. Right, I'm going to go and get myself a water tank, get myself a pop-up, put one of these on, and I'm going to show you what to do. Now I'm going to be using these in the next couple of weeks, because I'm going to be going out over Christmas, or just after Christmas should I say, and I'm going to be fishing a few waters, fishing singles, and showing you what these will do and the power of a single hook bait during the winter. It can be deadly. So let me just come back to you shortly. I'm going to get this water tank, I'm going to get a rig, and I'll show you exactly what that dispersible cloud boost does. Right, I'm back. Unfortunately I couldn't find a professional water tank, however I did find a Foster's pint glass. Just don't tell the wife, keep it quiet, because it is Sunday, and if she knows that I've been into a kitchen and stolen one of the glasses. My Sunday dinner will end up in the dog, and she will not be best pleased. I've got a Ronnie rig here. I'm just going to load one of these dispersion cloud pop-ups on. I will say, make sure your hands are dry, because I picked one up before I got the cameras rolling and it made all my fingers red. That's how powerful they are. Well, as I'm putting this on, I said previously that it was Karper.com. It isn't, it's Karper.co.uk. So sorry about that. We also do got a nice clothing range. We've got the pop-ups and a few other bits and pieces you can buy. I'm not too sure how long the company's been out to the trade. However, going by their pop-ups, they've got a nice range to go forward, and I'm sure they'll catch a lot of fish for a lot of people, and they'll do it looking carpy as well. Right, white glass, pop-up. Let's have a look how it goes. I'm not too sure whether you can see that's starting to give off that cloud of attraction straight away. Give it a little bit of a disturbance just to get it going. And is there any finer attractor than that? And if you're fishing singles where boosted singles are giving you the results which they do during the winter, then that is why I wanted to try these. I'll just leave them for a minute. Now they do all the other classic colours. There's an orange, like a reddy orange, or fluoro red probably. Whites. Now whites during the winter, or in the depths of winter, are probably one of my favourite colours. Now as soon as that water starts to get down to minus conditions, you'll find that the fish develop a lens over their eyes to protect them from the cold weather, and the only colour which is allegedly is white that they can detect. So this is where this sort of thing, boosted singles with high flavours, will come into their element during the winter. Now they do these in 14, 12 and 14, so they're absolutely perfect for single fishing during the winter. And I'm looking forward to getting out. As I said, I'm going to be out just after Christmas, and hopefully we'll be putting these to the test. Different colours on the day, different flavours will get you different results. That's why I like to keep active, keep swapping the colours, and just a different colours change on the day will get you that extra, or get you that pickup that you're looking for on them elite winter elusive carp. So make sure you join me after Christmas, and hopefully you'll have a good Christmas. Until then, wet nets, tight lines. See you on my next video. Thank you for watching.